Moxxor wishes everyone a happy Independence Day. On July 8, 1776, the first public readings of the Declaration were held in Philadelphia's Independence Square. 1 year later, on July 4, 1777, Philadelphia marked Independence Day. On June 24th of 1826, Thomas Jefferson said, "May it be to the world what I believe it will be," the signal of arousing men to burst the chains and to assume the blessings and security of self-government that restores the free right to the unbounded exercise of reason and freedom of opinion. And all eyes are open to the rights of man. For ourselves, let the annual return of this day forever refresh our recollections of these rights and an undiminished devotion to them. Moxxor wishes all Americans a happy Independence Day. Moxxor Omega 3, the premium Omega 3.